how to change your Google Maps to walking, driving, cycling, and more. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make the most out of Google Maps, you're in the right place. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So we're diving into how to change your Google Maps settings. For that, first open up your Google Maps and then tap on the arrow icon and select the starting point and destination. So after you've selected your starting point and destination, you'll see the route displayed on the screen with the car option selected by default. But what if you want to switch it? You just have to tap on the icon. For example, I can tap on the train icon, but you can see that there is no train available. So I'll tap on the walking icon and it will show me the minute, the duration, and the area and the route. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.